Hey, what's going on? Tasha here. I'm going for a walk. And I wanted to talk about digital marketing. Now more than ever, since with this virus going around, it's important that you start to learn how to use the online environment to promote your products and your services. And if you've been following me, you know that it's important to use hook, story, offer in everything that you do. Because the whole thing is your product is solving a problem. It's a pain point that somebody has and they're actively searching for it online, in forums, in Google search, Bing, Yahoo search, wherever it is they can go, say, hey, I have this problem, who else has it, and who solved it? And that's where you come in. And that's why it's important to use keywords, target keywords that will help you get the people that you want onto your webpage, or more preferably your sales funnel. Without using the proper keywords in your marketing, you're going to waste a lot of money targeting people who don't want your service or don't want your product because your product is not providing relief for the problem that they have. So always remember that. Hook, story, offer, and use targeted keywords that your product is solving, or using the keywords that your product will solve for the people who are looking for a pain solution. Hope that makes sense. All right, I think I'll start doing a couple of these from now on, just some short to the point, because I know our attention span is very short these days. So I will try my best to record videos and give you valuable content, and to basically let you know that I'm practicing what I preach. So I'll probably talk about free and paid traffic, social media traffic, which is probably one of the biggest ones that I'll be working on, because I have a product that I sell that just teaches you how to do that, specifically with Facebook. But it could also work for YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest as well. And that's called the social network lead generator. And I'll put a link down below and you can see what that's all about. It's actually, hold on a second. Someone dropped their, what do you call this thing? Hand sanitizer. So that's a plus, right? And it's a sweet pea. I like that one. All right, so I definitely can get distracted. So as I was saying, I like to provide value to you guys, free, of course. And if there is something that I think that would interest you, that will help you along on your journey, whether you're in business already or you're starting a business, I will give you what's called a CTA, call to action. And I would think that call to actions are also another important thing that you need to add to your business. After someone reads your pitch, your hook, story, and offer, and you don't give them a call to action, then they leave your page and you lost the sale. So I'll probably talk a lot about different call to actions. All right, wherever you are in the world, please take care, and I will talk to you soon.